Hey, what's up guys, Bromie here, and welcome back to another video. After, 3 months, I have an exclusive on this channel. A Samsung Galaxy Fold unboxing. Now, I know you're wondering, how did you get this phone? How do you have $2,000? All these questions will not be answered in this video, but it's very exciting. This is a revolutionary product that I think will change the smartphone industry. Now, let's get into the unboxing. As you can see, when looking at the phone, it is a very pretty phone. It has a nice design, nice fold. It's a little bit weird that there is a smaller screen on the other side, but it's unique. We haven't seen this in the industry yet. And I think this is exciting. Now, it comes with headphones. And the headphones sound amazing. I can boop bap, boop bap, boop bap, boop bap, boop bap, boop bap boop, boop bap to the music all day long. And it comes with an OTG cable. Unfortunately, it does not come with a charger, and you might expect that it comes with a charger for $2,000, but no it doesn't. You have to buy that on your own, which I think is revolutionary. Sorry, audio sucks right now, but obviously this video was a joke. The Galaxy Fold definitely is a step in the right direction in my opinion, but the execution definitely was not right. So this was a little bit of a parody. I haven't posted in a while. I don't really post that often. I really post only when I have time. I had time today, so I thought I'd post something fast, easy, and it's gonna take me a day or two to edit, but to be honest, it took me a short while, but kind of had fun. It was pretty fun. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Subscribe, like the video. Who cares? Do whatever you want. It's my channel, and I only have 66 subs. Let's get it to 30 million. Yeah, let's surpass all of them. We're getting 30 million tonight. See you later. Peace.